presentation.
Okay.
Me the new best start your mom.
Mama share you go.
Auntie. So how life and your painting.
Yeah. That be penny for you.
Penny for him no. Penny for the setting.
Mama we in a champion. Okay. That mean beginning this young boys need to be a minute.
I know people move your power.
There be na champion. Oh no. I mean I thought say it was some Anyum Chrome say friend saying Afrobeat. And I mean mono Debbie. A high life.
High Trensia. Oh man.
It's a Ghana football high life craft and Afrobeat.
Oh.
Yeah. Ghanaian musician bought high life, you know, or the Afrobeat near to so. Kelvin boy, you more boy. Hey, high life.
Okay. And you will so bepe. I'm going to for be. And you will show bepe. Woo!
Well, this is pure 95.7 FM, and name is Mickey Osebeko Mene Hammer and Nejumadino. If you say, you knew about so if Volta region Abahasi, don't so about the kind of it Ubia Antonasi na na if you say Jumedi anybody a big time. Yo, Minya Bakono Ewaha, my brother, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How is it? This is the HammerTime program. My brothers and sisters, all of a sudden, they said we should come and sit in a cool place with some yellow table. Is it an MTN radio station?
Sir?
My brother,
yeah.
Is your radio station MTN?
No, we just have the colors.
You used a yellow color?
Yellow color.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Papaya na yedi enyum bi ba say ye music competition. Enti music competition, you know. Omo ye no a cultural center.
Okay.
Na Volta region for buy. Enti omo buy no ene so mbeto enyum ben. Ena papa so mbeto asante nyum. Ene se asante nyum ben na obeto.
Obi Volta region aba.
Ofi Volta region. Ena ochire enyum obeto. Na enyum obeto no se ne etu no asante kasem. Mempra yarina me kotie dro ko hia samampa. Sama boni oji me nsama dre. Oba ya mi chi na enyo awusia what is anyum na. New Chrome music power.
New Chrome music.
Mempra yarina me kotie dro ko hia samampa. Sama boni oji me nsama dre. Oba ya mi chi na enyo awusia eno na papa ye ofi Volta
region bato.
Also about beto. Ene man the mic.
As a brain.
Bra. Start here. Ami prayari koshia just kotia sama pahao. Asama borio jivi sama dro ayo. Ayaya mitri nenyo hayo hao.
Mon prero
yeah, our brothers from the Volta region. Konkonsa kakra.
No, Konkonsa na the brain behind it, then the whole concept.
Now me call nightclub. That was how I released tension.
Okay.
Because now me opportunity to ball enyum.
Okay.
You know, I worked as a DJ as well, from pubs to nightclubs.
Right.
Until most of the time, no, about nightclub, now me kita, me drink, me na me jina DJ box, no. DJ ni you know, utimi kamishimu, kai jamu mo rough.
Now okunko.
Until that time, you know, na Radio Gold, mama me drive time program, and me na ese me share content in the program so.
Okay.
Until of course I pray to God to give me the wisdom, but they call me free, glance me ba luhono, and I mean who say girl be the no be as no for I will pay free Them say one geji adini tibako
sleepy. Your lawyer.
Hey, inti me pure one or your skills be. Them say
sister.
Inti girl say oh monofo. Oh top way say.
What pack here?
Auntie say. That me who be that? Next day now we radio so. And me say no, I have to talk about this. And I mean laugh about it.
Okay.
Then Yakupon say me 3 months say I started talking me radio so na make us na me start kasa. Joe, my brothers and sisters, this is your humble servant Konkonsa representing, and today I'm reporting. And yesterday I went to the nightclub, and my brother, I saw a lot of breasts that my wife David Divine Konkonsa is not even having, not knowing they were all aided by. So maybe I should know then. People were like, Charlie, the thing you do, it was funny, oh. And I was like, wow. Afa. It's now to mess up people. And Konkonsa is running now and is 24 years old.
It's what you know, Eva.
Meo Kinte Radio.
Okay,
but when I left Radio Gold, they got somebody because it was one of the cash cows of the radio station. So they couldn't afford using. Though I own the copyright as the because
it's your show.
Yeah, even in 2002, me album. Musical album. It featured Terry Bunchaka and a few artists. Nana Tebri. Nana Tebri. I made an album, a 6-song album.
How can you maybe?
Me not me too.
Me instrumental.
David. Instruments yes so cool.
Mama, I did Mama Capella.
But if I thought about it, I think I will drive. Oh, mixture. How life from Nana Tebri, Konkonsa, Nana Tebri was fantastic, and then Terry Bunchaka. If you want some crime, if you check Kwame Nkrumah.
Oh,
Mikunyane no, I'm a better. No, yeah. I recorded a release cassettes now.
Hey,
yeah, 2000.
It didn't burn my ears, sir.
Because I felt Konkonsa, people were becoming familiar listening to him. And then I was also inspired by Muta Baruka.
Okay.
I put all of these concepts together because some of the songs, one of the songs here, The Trial of NDC, The Trial of MPP. You know, Konkonsa a judge or try
both parties.
Those were songs there, and then I had 1, 2. I mean, maybe another time.
I'll come next week.
Yeah.
Go for it next week.
Okay, and Kufuriba no Obama. Yeah. I had a 6-song album, Judgment.
Okay.
Konkonsa, that was the album. Legacy bia. For me, only through the favor of God that can make it happen. Yeah. Because for something that I created like that, for 24 years, a radio station cannot live without it. You know, that is how I count my blessings.
In radio,
yeah,
I can't come in I can't flash, I can't do. I mean,
yeah.
Why now Obe Kase Papa you me?
I think this is the first time my dream Achimiako Sani Paniso. And I've discounted him anytime made the praises on people who pushed me in radio. But your friend Apia, the owner and founder of Atlantis Radio.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Atlantis
Radio. Timer teacher Jumane ye basa.
Aje basa. Oh yeah, is the guy.
Timer teacher Jumane ye basa. I thought of pursuing my acting career. Until one of the places I call that time Atlantis Radio. So that time now a dine crow you uncompleted. Studio no more and not any show there. I'm telling you the truth. it's all full not here no.
And other studio.
Studio door and all full not here na. No, you probably no approve no contra machines nechi. That was how it was.
What if you was there?
Yeah. Enti me call hono and no say trainee as a broadcaster on foul. Did you say you have to train? Enti that led me on, and that's why may he so rest in peace. He's no more. And I need to gratify him as one of the people who guided the way. Because one insisted, say, we are trained broadcasters, and I will not find my way into training.
Right.
Because that led me on to GBC, you know, and eventually me host two show crowd or GBC.
Okay.
That was 1995. Now me entertainment variety show. On GBC FM, Saturn FM, GBC FM. That was the only FM station at the time. The GBC FM, Hona Minya training. Then I even got the opportunity to star in TV theater.
Okay.
And all of that. And then Bafuboni.
Okay.
You know, one day I decided to go to Radio Good. First year, and I made an application on Monday. But next time, I walked in and I met Bafuboni. And I say, gentlemen, I saw you here. I was here last year. I said, what do you want? I said, I want to work on the radio. And I say, okay, what can you do? And I say, I can do this and this. No, because I'm saying, radio presenters so I cry now. When I meet me, I present me show to sono. Now I'm saying, D4.
Hey.
Yeah. Saturday, D4 was big.
The vibe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Odifo introduced the Peace FM ne sa normal ideas now because that was the only guy I know three programs. Because there was Vibe, Joy, and Radio Good. Abrofusem kakra. Na Odifo ba Ghana fo enyuma me beboyi me ba ma Ghana fo nyina okakra you. Odifo eye ne fan raising BB fundraising BB and the fans. They filled a brand here. Yeah, they filled Konkonsa space.
Wow.
That was when he was in his apex. It's a funny kind of chairman. I'm saying, also between I. I'm saying, also go and call demo bra. That be a koshi. When I'm in Nanti C, can you ho baby? Na me niska mbefaka. Na me boom bisi avino. I'm brand new town baby. Na akwa bi oha. Oye DJ. Na me say. Bonyum no mami na win cassette
recording.
Yeah, recording cassette so. Before papa no 10 a.m. by 3 p.m. no. Na me the cassette nako. He was shocked. Yeah. Until G no the tran come na muso was slotty cassette and I say inshallah. Baby, me say befa. Next day, I say me me call ya no say ma me adwuma. Until Radio Good, me started Bonyum from 12 midnight.
Oh, not your phone.
Say you knew what?
Night riders.
From 12 midnight to 4 a.m. That was my time. Until I started not these three radio stations. Omobo slow jam, cool songs, foreign R&B. I'm father. Until me started immediately 1 week, 2 weeks. Now me boss anyum. Now me boss anyum. Now me say many kum. Until I started playing mid-tempo high life music. And my brother, within 2 months, Radio Go's morning show was the most listened to. Why? Because Anajono, taxi drivers knew beer tuning. I'm circle Anajo on my show because the program director picked me from the station. So be more now farming for the effect I'm having. He was so happy. So within 6 months, me free on about 7 to 10.
Hi.
Yeah, less than a year, I was the driver on the drive time show. Until Bafuboni was a key person. Then Kwame Sefakai. Yes, Kwame Sefakai. At the time, I drew Radio Good. No, he was one of the known presenters on there. And Nami Nimuno Actors Guild. Because we had done a few performances together. Until he guided me as a younger brother. You know, Kwame could take me out, you know, buy me food and tell me that the guidance was there. And I was also listening to industry. Fifi Bansin was there. Fifi Bansin was part of the group Aomoboami.
Okay.
Because he was also a brother. Because Fifi Bansin, even at the time before I made driving, I'm in a Saturday entertainment show.
Oh, okay.
He was the host, and then he added me on. He shared radio, no so concerts. It was fun. And can you imagine say you to Lumba Nyumbo bro for Kasem?
When is it?
Ubo bitina, ubo nyumuna.
Baby, I'm
ubo nyuma Lumba nyumuna into no brofu.
Now you can't get a comedians. Who's walking?
I'm a comedian. I'm a comedian.
And just walking the worst wrong. They're not comedian in the
Jimmy Fo. Come to me and get all love feeling. What in the kill me be wasting whining? Come to me and get love feeling. We are doing this. I am now, Brofum. Sa Brofum, I am until Lumba, you know, baby. Translation, I'm saying they are away for a year or Hano. Telenovelas. Listen me the Ghanaian music.
The guy, it could be. Also, some banks say Zata, so a lawyer. Okay, PMP and Tiadiza.
Yeah.
Say, but Peters this.
Yeah.
School, Pukwari. No, be job bed so. Until these are kind of
yeah. I remember. PMP year 2000. I made the front page on PMP and it made us spread. Yeah.
Oh, okay.